Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm going to show you how to do going down the mountain. So going down the mountain is probably the least favorite mountain climber version there is. And there's a few ways to get into this position. One, you can do it from having done going up the mountain. So you'd be here, you'd finish, you step on and you stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low, and then you set yourself up, okay? Another way to do it is to come from the back of the chair. So you come down, you crouch in. Okay, now I'm hypermobile, so I can sit here and I'm not in a lot of strength. We don't want to do that because this exercise requires a lot of strength. In a perfect world, your heel would be down when you do this exercise. If that can't be, then you would do your heel up, but you're working it down, right? So I will start from the top, one arm over the other, and then one foot comes on the pedal, and then I engage the spring and I try to get as low as possible without sticking my booty out. I don't want to fall forward, okay? So if you're like, I can't do this, then you just don't do this exercise yet, right? So we go into it, we go down. Remember, we want that heel down if we can. We lift our chest up and we drop our tail, and then we pump the pedal. And the lower we are on the standing leg, the bigger the spring movement can be. Then you step up to come out of it, and you switch sides. Unlike mountain climber, you're not doing like 32 pumps. You can do 8 to 10 here, and then stand in the leg to step up. So there is a mountain climber side, so going down the mountain side. If you want to do all three of them together, you can. If you're looking at this from the flashcard deck from onlinepilatesclasses.com, you'll see there's a mountain climber prep, there's a mountain climber, there's the going down the mountain, and then mountain climber side. I would say work towards doing them all as a grand finale versus like forcing yourself to learn them all at the same time. But you'll see there's a lot on that card that we made. There's a lot of exercises that correlate to the mat reformer, more on your Wunda chair, high chair, and armchair. So it's here to challenge you. If you just saw this, you're like, press down front is your friend. Put that on the card so you can actually really get yourself prepared for standing in your legs and working from your center. So you can get this flashcard deck and all of our flashcard decks at onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.